Hey guys, this is a Peugeot 508 and I want to show you how to replace the front fog lamp.
You just need to undo two Torx bolts that hold the wheel arch in place, the wheel arch cover in place, one at the bottom and one in the center, and then just pull it a bit aside and you get access to the bulb. Twist it counterclockwise, just a little bit, and then it get out. Click on the clips of the connector to pull the bulb out, and in the reverse order, let's insert the new bulb that is identical to the old bulb. First, put it in the lamp itself, twist it because the wiring harness make it a little bit tight to do when the bulb is out, and push the connector inside, and that's it. Now you can see the bulb here. Let's fit everything back in place. First the wiring harness, and let's put the cover back on. Make sure to remove any dust you have over there, and thread the two Torx bolts holding the cover in place. As we did earlier, one is in the center up and another one at the bottom. And after we finish that, you can also go and watch more videos I have on the Peugeot 508 and on some other models as well, French cars and classic cars. See you next time and thank you for watching.